how do you make your first $1 million? Guys, this is Dev Gadhvi. I'm gonna meet some millionaires and I'm gonna ask them this question: how to make your first $1 million? And we'll listen to these guys who have won the 2 Comma Club award from Russell Brunson. It's given only to people who made $1 million in their business from funnel, right? So check it out. What is the secret behind making multi-million dollars?
It's a long answer. In my experience, tenacity, perseverance, hard work, and dedication.
My biggest advice is that don't make it about you. The moment the shift went from I want to make $1 million to how can I help these people, I am not kidding you. The road's open. Of course, there's a lot of technicalities to go with it, but the moment your focus changes and switches from you to them, the money just comes. It just comes.
It's not actually a secret, right? One of the main things that helped me accomplish these results is that I'm willing to make mistakes. The faster you make a mistake, the faster you're gonna learn, the faster you're gonna get there. So for me, this is one of the things that really helped me out a lot.
How did you get started in this journey of helping people around stocks, coaching them and growing them?
It's a long story. I started trading at the age of 16 and had a long struggle without mentors and coaches and losing money. Finally got some success in 2008 after reading 400 books and going through a lot of blunders and mistakes. There are many people in the market who want to trade but don't have the right guidance. So that's when we started Mercanzu as a training institute. And since that, it's our mission to make it one very simple, that a common man can trade in stock market very easily and make a parallel income out of it.
That is beautiful. Let's say if somebody is a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
What advice would you give to them if they want to become rich? Let's say 1 crore or 1 million.
If you have that burning desire, seek within. Find someone who's already walked the path you want to walk. Follow what they are doing. Follow the strategies they have implemented. 9 to 5, you do your job to the best of ability because that's the only thing you have right now. But the moment you get back, 6 to 2 is your time. That's what you work on towards your passion, towards the hustle. Learn something, figure out the different skills.
Yeah, but how do you handle the fear? Let's say somebody's in a job and looking to start a business, but they have a lot of fear. How do you handle that?
Having fear is actually not a bad thing because fear actually allows you to feel secure to a certain degree.
When you are experiencing fear, it's not really an actual immediate danger there. It's something that your brain created. It's a story that you're telling yourself. And in fact, when you're experiencing fear, those are the times that if you push through, you actually achieve growth.
Do it anyways, right? I had a conversation with Russell with the first mastermind, and I was telling him, hey, I want to get out of the backstage. I want to be on stage teaching what I know. And that was a huge challenge for me. And to this day, I'm still afraid, but I just did it anyway. So you have to make a choice. If you really want that success, the lifestyle, geographic freedom, time freedom that you want, it's right there. 1 centimeter after your fear. So you're gonna have to make that choice whether you want to be stuck in fear or you want to be stuck in success, time freedom, money freedom, all of that stuff.
Wow.
If you have a burning desire to do something, you also need to develop a faith. And at some point in time, you must jump and take that leap. Sometimes you have to build airplane while you have jumped, right? You're building the airplane in the air. And sometimes you have to do that. So that's one of the skills I believe required to be an entrepreneur, where you have to be okay with the risk. You have to be okay with being uncertain, because one thing is certain, that no matter what situation you are thrown in, you can figure out a way.
There's no alligator or lion or like an airplane just moving towards you. It is not an actual danger. There's no danger. Your brain made that up. Whatever it is that you're experiencing it, realize your brain made that up. So tell your brain, hey brain, I hear you, I feel you, but can you tell me a different story? And start telling yourself better stories.